In prime time news this evening, diagnostic tests show the nation's children are falling behind in academics. The Ministry of Education outlines a strategy to get them back on track. NWA caution residents who continue to use Gordontown Main Road. And later, health officials say the country's COVID-19 curve has started to rise.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. In what ways can citizens protect themselves from criminals in light of the busy Christmas season?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.